Hello guys, let's take a look at a Uni Shalaku Mechanical Pencil. It has quite a unique design. As you can see, there is a trigger to release the pencil lead. When you click it, it ejects the pencil lead. It's a nice innovation. Rather than putting it on the top, this way, whenever you need, you just move your finger back and it's much more convenient this way rather than putting it on the top where you need to move your fingers back and forward again. This is much simpler and much nicer. But because of this, half of the pen is just blank. They could have used that space by adding a pen or something else. Still, quite a unique design. That's the eraser. Check it out.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to get more videos every day.